we are coming to Wizuwera, Greater Mbarara, and for a crusade. These days of Christmas, but also we are remembering the many years of revival, East African revival. It really, the people in the West played a major role in this great revival, which affected the whole world. It wasn't only affecting Uganda or East Africa. They could name it East Africa, but it was from here that there was a renewal globally. And as we are getting into Christmas and in these years, and also I was telling the people here when the president was here concerning our freedom of worship, that is 40 years now since we received the freedom of worship. We have to have some things. We must have some things that we have gained or things that we want to do. So this crusade is for everyone. We're inviting every religion, every political party, whatever your persuasion is, you come, let's celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, let's see the works of God. So we want to thank you for welcoming us, because we cannot come in your area without you giving us permission. You're the first one. And then since you are the chairman of security, but you are also mobilizing all your security agencies. And so we are grateful. We are coming, the people there are coming, so, and thank you so much.
Thank you. I want to take this opportunity, first and foremost, to thank sincerely Pastor Kayanja for the good heart. Apart from being a pastor, but for having a good heart to reach out to the vulnerable communities, and also share experiences, how people can be different in life. Therefore, I want to welcome you, and I want to invite all the people in the Western Korea, Western Uganda, and the whole country to come and celebrate with Pastor Kayanja in Wizuwera. And he's making a historical remark in Wizuwera because this is his first visit in the new district of Mbarara. When after the creation of Mbarara City, now Mbarara district shifted to Wizuwera, which is the headquarters of the district, and he's the first prominent person to come and bless this new district in the new area with new headquarters. And I want to appeal to the people of Angore, where I'm born, that this is a unique opportunity. You are having a pastor who is preaching the word of God, but at the same time, who is also preaching the works of God by making sure that you can do something and your family gets income, gets something to eat, and you make sure you sustain the works of God through the earnings, and at the same time, your family has become better. Let us be there, come and we celebrate the revival and the renewal of Jesus Christ as we prepare for Christmas. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.